Hi guys, today's video is supposed to be extremely promising. I will tell you about 6 sources you can use to skyrocket your Etsy traffic and multiple your shop profit. I cannot figure out just one channel among the following ones, as it is really not impossible. Each of the 6 promotion ways can stipulate increasing of your benefit, but their compilation guarantees successful running of your business. So watch the video till the end and you will know the best ideas how to drive more traffic to your Etsy shop. Make sure to subscribe to this channel and let's dive in. Moving on, and let's start with a real nightmare for all sellers on the marketplace. Probably you have already guessed it is SEO. For those who have no idea what it is, I'm trying to explain it briefly. That is a search engine optimization, according to which a lot of platforms work. This mechanism helps to place stuff on the marketplace, and if you organize all SEO components properly, the algorithm shows your items directly to your audience. I'm sure that is the most unwanted moment for all Etsy sellers, as I have never met a person who appreciates the process of keywords or tags searching. However, if your strategy means just adding of new listings, sorry, but you are doomed to failure. Search engine optimization requires your involvement into the process, and this part of promotion should be fulfilled carefully. To be honest, all sellers on Etsy hope to get brilliant results and be financially satisfied with their online shop. Even when people tell they are just considering Etsy a place for their hobby, nothing special, but who will refuse additional income? If we dig deeper, every Etsy seller should focus on the following main SEO components: keywords, title, tags, and descriptions. They consider being the main control arms for your ranking among a great number of other shops in your niche. Pay attention to the fact that well-managed SEO is one of the cheapest ways of traffic generation. I agree, it sounds so serious and maybe it is frustrating to you, but you can handle this issue easily just following the next key steps. First of all, let's focus on keywords. My sincere request here stands for omitting of abstract and general keywords. Do not use quite and totally predictable ones, as you are falling into the trap of constant competition with hundreds or even thousands of other listings. This is definitely way to nowhere. Perfect idea here supposes 2 related long-tail keywords, and the rest ones should be as precise and unique as possible. I understand the difficulties of such a research, but the future result is worth it. I can predict your thoughts that it takes incredible amount of time, but I know the solution. You can easily delegate SEO issues to a special web app for Etsy sellers like SellerWay. Find the best keywords for your titles and tags to rank higher in Etsy search and get more organic traffic to your Etsy shop. With SellerWay, you can also check trends on the Etsy marketplace, analyze your shop and listings as well as competitors' ones, track events, and much more. And now we are looking through the rest components. So titles, tags, and description give you the opportunity to present your items from the best sides and just hit the target. For example, description should contain answers to all clients' questions regarding an item they are looking for. You should explain, present, and persuade a person that he or she requires this very item, your item. That's why use this section wise and do not waste spaces for unnecessary information. As for tags, the main mistake which I face every day means that sellers often ignore filling in of the section with the required number of tags, namely 13. Remember, if you skip this step, Etsy algorithm will not get enough information for your proper promotion. The next point we are going to discuss is social media. From one side, that is the easiest way to promote your items, but from the other side, everything is not so simple as it can be judged at the first sight. Let's start with pleasant moments of social media as an additional channel to generate higher number of visitors. The biggest advantage of the second point of our today video perhaps will be the wide range to choose from. I'm sure that any kind of niche can be promoted with social media. It depends only on your commitment. I mean, what kind of content are you ready to generate? How creative you are, and what speaking and presentation skills you can involve into social media promotion. Also, you should bear in mind that the character of your items also matters. For example, you are dealing with popular and wanted stuff which is highly on demand. In such a case, mind trending and use social media like TikTok. While analyzing and choosing of the most suitable network, you should understand targets of this or that social media. When your shop goals are similar to the content of chosen network, it should be ideal. So it is more likely you will not be ignored this way or give up at the very beginning. Also mind who is the main target audience of this or that social media. For example, Instagram is a female network, while Facebook is regarded to be more male and serious one. However, there are also minuses. It takes just enormous amount of time to create and post visual content. So you should understand whether you have opportunities to start social media promotion. The third recommendation of the video sounds quite provocative. Lots of sellers have some experience with Etsy ads, so as I can see, people are divided into two extremely opposite camps. Some sellers insist on Etsy ads, producing the argument that it is the best way to keep proper level of traffic. The other camp is afraid of Etsy ads because of negative experience. Well, how can we get the clue which side is more attractive and promising? I know the basic rule here: you should fix your SEO before launching the advertising campaign to avoid solid wasting of your budget. And on the contrary, when your listing is not fixed properly, it's no wonder stats will be rather pity. The next moment that I want to focus on is blogging. It could be a really great supplement to your shop where you can demonstrate a bit more about you as a business owner or even as an expert in your or similar related niche. Your blog gives you an opportunity to tell your experience. Believe me, this method could be highly effective. People are attracted by those ones who have similar interests, pains, and failures, and your own place with your thoughts and stories will show you and your business much deeper. Being a seller on Etsy is great, but you cannot lead your audience to the very inside of your beloved activity. You cannot be as sincere as you want to be. So if you have what to say and you surely get enough knowledge, skills, thoughts, and experience to transmit, start your blog right now. Or on the contrary, if you are completely confident, you feel only fear and hesitation about your starting on Etsy shop, go ahead and tell people about your emotions. You will get great number of supporters and their feedback brings you more energy to continue your Etsy business. We have already talked in the video about Etsy algorithm and its peculiarities. It's high time to take Google into account as well. The principal mechanism of their algorithm is similar. Both of them analyze the quality of interaction between your shop and visitors, time they spend, actions they perform, and so on. Certainly, you cannot compete with world brands which are suggested on the first page of research results, but nothing is impossible. Imagine your tags match search query perfectly well and Google shows your listing on the first page of the results. It's bingo. It sounds like one more reason to get acquainted with SEO closer. And finally, I'm going to share with you probably the most unexpected recommendation. Email marketing sounds rather serious and like too far from Etsy sellers. It's more likely for some big brands or even famous corporations, but why not use this tested and checked tool to communicate with your target market? So let me lay it out for you to get clues about effective implementation of email marketing into your business strategy, as I truly believe such a method of promotion has impact on generating higher sales. Well, if you are just a fresh Etsy seller, then it's amazing. You will not waste your time, and if we are talking in business language, you will not lose money. To be honest, that's your end aim and it's okay. But if you own a shop for some time, just mind immediate starting off the following steps. The first advice here sounds like to create an email list. You are totally wrong while still thinking it is not important. Take into consideration to maximize all the efforts you devote to your shop development. When your list is ready, remember to add your new clients every time you have heard a cha-ching sound. So, what should you do with the list further? Actually, look around, you are running your business and definitely have to tell and show your clients both potential and already existing. New stuff, discounts for some particular items in your shop, one more tutorial video, or any other news are worth being your marketing message. Such communication encourages solid and long-lasting interaction with your clients. Summing up, just do not ignore this tool to broadcast about your Etsy shop. Well, my congratulations, we have just enumerated and explained main traffic methods. I hope you appreciate the video with liking and commenting. Subscribe to this channel for more interesting videos, and in the description below this video you can find a lot of useful links for your Etsy shop. Good luck to everyone!